Life goes by so quickly that sometimes we don't realise just how much things have changed. It's hard to believe that just 40 years ago the CD didn't even exist, and nowadays it's almost obsolete. The same thing has happened with the world, changing slowly but surely, so when we look back we don't even realise how it used to be. Know before you go! This is a picture of the Arctic back in 1918, and this is it now. Trenches in World War I, and 100 years later. Durham, England, and in 2020. Atomic bomb dome, Hiroshima, and here it is today. Kreuzberg district, Berlin, Germany, 1985, and now. Urk Island in an inland sea, Netherlands. Urk Town no longer an island in 2020. Castro Street, San Francisco, USA, 1940s. And today not much has changed. Bishan Park, Singapore, 1988. And here it is in 2020. Trams in Berlin, Germany, 1990, and in 2018. Dubai Marina, United Arab Emirates, 2000, and here it is in 2020, just 20 years later. Bremen, Germany, 1900, and 120 years later, all that's missing are the horse carriages. Doyers and Pell Street, Chinatown, New York, USA in the 1900s, and in 2014. Chichen, Itza, Yucatan, Mexico, 1892, and here it is uncovered and restored today. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments below and give us a like.